Look means you use your eyes on purpose, but see means your eyes notice something naturally. Okay, let's go through the first six questions together. Number one, I will blink at the stars tonight. Here we want to show action, like you are choosing to use your eyes. So the better word is look. That makes it I will look at the stars tonight. Easy, right? Next up, question 2. Can you blink that red car outside? Here is about noticing something that is already there. You didn't plan it, you just notice it. So the best word is see. That gives us can you see that red car outside? Great job. Moving on to question 3. Please blink at the board, students. The teacher is asking you to focus your eyes, so it's on purpose. That means look. So the sentence is please look at the board, students. Now, question 4. I can blink the moon from here. The moon is just there. You notice it without trying. So it's see. That makes the sentence I can see the moon from here. Next, question 5. Don't blink at your phone in class. This is about using your eyes on purpose when you shouldn't. So it's look. The sentence is don't look at your phone in class. Finally, for now, question 6. Did you blink that rainbow? You don't plan to, but you notice it. That's C. So the answer is did you see the rainbow? So that's the first 6 questions. The main thing is look means intentional and see means natural. Now it's your turn. Finish the other 6 questions by yourself and then check the answers near the end of this video. By the way, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.